Hola, mi tía Olga. Es tiempo de aprender español. Let's learn Spanish. Today, what we're gonna see is instructional words. I recommend to you, please practice those because in the following classes, I'm going to start to speak only in Spanish, and those things I assume you already learned, okay? I recommend please print it out or put in some post-it and review it, okay? When you repeat one another time, you're gonna start to remember and say very easy, okay? We have here in English this column and in Spanish in other column. English, we say hello. In Spanish, we say hola, hola. Please remember, we're gonna see that in other classes, but it's very important in Spanish, the H doesn't make any sound, okay? If you see in English, we say hello, hello. However, in Spanish, we say hola. It's like the H is not there, hola. Okay, now we have please, and we say por favor, por favor. We have good morning, and we say buenos días. We say good afternoon. En español, buenas tardes. Inglés, good evening or good night. In Spanish, we say buenas noches. Until next time, we say hasta la próxima. Again, in Spanish, otra vez. Class, we say clase. And homework, we say tarea. Okay, it's very important. Please do your homework. Okay, in the end of the class, always I'm gonna give you homework. I recommend you practice. Okay, in this case, you can follow very well the next class. If you don't, and you didn't review it, unfortunately, you're going in some point to stop because you need to review it. Okay, this is your homework. We have here, hola. Repeat after me, please. Hola. Por favor. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Hasta la próxima. Hasta la próxima. Otra vez. Otra vez. Clase. Clase. Tarea. Tarea. Okay, please practice again. Hola. Por favor. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Hasta la próxima. Otra vez. Clase. Tarea. Good. Now, we're going to see those things that is very important Like, how do I say? ¿Cómo digo? ¿Cómo digo? Okay, write down in the comments if you have any questions. Okay, ¿cómo digo? Okay, how do you say? ¿Cómo se dice? Okay, you can write down in the comments. Tía Olga, ¿cómo se dice something in Spanish? Okay, I don't understand. I don't understand. No entiendo. No entiendo. I have a question. Tengo una pregunta. Tengo una pregunta. Louder, please. Más alto, por favor. You can also say más fuerte. Okay, remember this is a guidance. It's not only one. We have sometimes very synonyms. Sorry, we have more synonyms for those things, but this is the most common ones. Okay. Más alto, por favor. No le escucho. No le escucho. One more time, otra vez. ¿Cómo digo? Repeat. ¿Cómo se dice? No entiendo. Tengo una pregunta. Más alto, por favor. No le escucho. Please practice. ¿Cómo digo? ¿Cómo se dice? No entiendo. Tengo una pregunta. Más alto, por favor. No le escucho. Okay, please practice those. By the way, this is your homework, okay? Practice all the instructional words we see or we're going to see in this class. Now, that is also important, okay? Like listen, escuche, tell, diga, or you can say also hable, repeat, repita, repita, look, mire, look at the pointer, mire el apuntador, read, salude, read, lea, write, escriba, ask, pregunte, answer, conteste. One more time, otra vez. Escuche, repita por favor. Escuche, diga, repita, mire, mire al apuntador. Salude, lea, escriba, pregunte, conteste. Pregunte in the comments if you have any questions. Pregunte. Now we're going to practice. Let's practice. Practiquemos instructional words. Write in Spanish the following instructional phrases. Please write in the comments. Escribe en comentarios. How do I say? ¿Cómo? Oh, sorry. No, you need to say it. Write in the comments, okay? How do you say it in Spanish? How do you say it? I don't understand. I have a question. Louder, please. Louder. Huh? I can hear you. I can't hear you. Okay, please write in the comments. Write in the comments. I'm going to see it. Okay, I'm gonna read it. This class is gonna be like that. You write in the comments and I'm gonna give you the answers. Okay, it's gonna be a feedback. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, you can say that you practice. Unfortunately, those only could be in personal class or online classes. But in this case, I'm going to assume you almost do it. Perfect, everything. Okay, you can say almost in Spanish, casi. Casi. Good. Bien. Very good. Muy bien. Excellent. Excelente. Perfect. Perfecto. Well done. Bien hecho. Okay. You also can do it the last two ones when you're talking about meat. Okay. When you go to the restaurant and say, ¿Cómo quiere su carne? You can say perfecto or perfecta. Or you can say bien done. Bien done. Come on, Tía Olga. Bien hecho. Well done. Bien hecho. Okay. Bien hecho. You can see H doesn't make any sound, but the C, because it's close to the H, the sound is ch, ch, ch. Okay. You need to be careful with that. For example, normally most of my people ask me, Tía Olga, what happened? You say sometimes bien hecho. Which one is the correct? Either one. Everybody gonna understand you. Doesn't matter if you say bien hecho or bien hecho or bien hecha. Perdón. Always, if you pronounce ch, that's good. But if you say something bien hecho, nobody going to understand you, okay? Nadie lo va a entender. But if you say bien hecho, that's good, okay? Great. I hope you're going to practice this. This is your homework. Esta es la tarea. Practice all the things we learned today. Okay, como digo, como se dice, escuche. This one, no, because we're not going to use any book in those classes. If you have any question, please escriba en los comentarios. I'm going to read you. Voy a leerlos. Okay. Hasta luego.